Right now, the credit repair industry is facing another major wake-up call. Today, the Federal Trade Commission announced that a federal court temporarily shut down a massive credit repair operation that allegedly took nearly $200 million from consumers. According to the FTC's complaint, the operation included 17 related companies and their principals. The FTC alleges that these businesses made false promises, impersonated creditors and debt collectors, charged illegal advance fees, enrolled consumers in recurring subscriptions without proper consent, and sometimes refused refund requests. The FTC also alleges that some consumers were led to believe legitimate debts could simply be removed from their credit reports. Even more disturbing, the complaint says false identity theft reports were sometimes submitted without the consumer's knowledge. I want to be very clear. These are allegations, and the case will ultimately be decided by the court. However, the FTC's announcement exposes several serious warning signs every consumer should understand. First, no ethical company should guarantee that accurate negative information will be deleted or promise a specific credit score increase. Second, you should never be encouraged to claim identity theft unless you were genuinely a victim of identity theft. Filing a false identity theft report can create serious legal consequences for the consumer whose name appears on it. Third, you deserve to know exactly who you are speaking with, what services are being provided, what the service costs, and how cancellation works. A company should never impersonate your creditor, hide recurring charges, or keep billing you without your informed permission. This is one of the reasons Fred Livai Financial takes a consumer advocacy approach. We don't believe in blindly disputing every negative account or telling consumers that everything can be removed. We review credit reports for information that may be inaccurate, incomplete, inconsistent, outdated, or unverifiable. We compare how accounts are being reported across the credit bureaus, identify potential discrepancies, request supporting documentation when appropriate, and help consumers understand what is actually affecting their credit. We also believe in transparency. Before moving forward, consumers should understand the process, the cost, and what can and cannot be promised. Every credit situation is different, and no legitimate organization can guarantee a particular deletion, credit score increase, or outcome. Fred Livai Financial has been helping consumers understand credit since 2000. Our goal isn't to sell you a fantasy. It is to review the facts, educate you about your credit profile, help you address legitimate reporting concerns, and give you an honest strategy for moving forward. The FTC's action should not discourage consumers from asking for help. It should encourage them to ask better questions. Who is handling your information? What exactly are they disputing? Are their claims truthful? Have they explained their fees? Are they promising results nobody can legally guarantee? And will they be transparent when an account appears to be reported accurately? If you want an honest review of your credit situation, comment credit or contact Fred Livai Financial to start the conversation. Subscribe to the channel for more credit and consumer advocacy information. If this video helped you, please like it and browse the other videos on the channel. That support helps the algorithm share this information with more consumers who need to hear it.